You said we can see our children as facilitators of our own evolution. And you mentioned once that unidirectional view is shattered, we can discover that our children contribute to our growth in ways that are perhaps more profound than when we can contribute to theirs.
Yeah, it's all in a shift of perspective. The old paradigm's perspective is that we are here to teach our kid. We are here to give them our valuable wisdom. Well, what a pity, because then what are they giving us, right? So what we want in return in the old paradigm, civility, obedience, authority, dominance, but that's all serving the ego. We should want things for the essence of who it is we are, meaning we should want to grow to become better human beings. That has nothing with control and dominance, nothing to do with the ego. So in order for us to grow with our children and learn from them, it would mean we have to come down from this pedestal of the ego as a title and the parent as a title and shift into humility and co-mutuality, mutual reciprocity, co-circularity, communality, oneness with our children. One can be bigger and one can create the conditions more than the other, but it doesn't mean the smaller one cannot teach the bigger one valuable life lessons.
That's a beautiful perspective. I talk to my mom about that all the time because I call her every day. And now we've gotten to a point where I'm always revealing to her new things that I've learned. She's always revealing to me new things that she's learned. And it's a really rewarding relationship. We both take accountability. If I make a mistake, I'll own that mistake. But then when we speak about her parenting ways in the past, she's more than happy to own that now, and I can't even put into words what that actually means to me because I feel our bond connecting even more so than I ever thought it could. So right. It is a very rewarding perspective to kind of have this equality view, even with the little humans.
Yeah, she's given up her pedestal of all knowing and all righteousness, and she's relating to you like a human now. And that's so freeing because till then you feel like you can't talk to this all-knowing person. You have to only get their approval. They're always right. And you can't really be free as a human yourself, right? Because they're so perfectionistic and trying to be so controlling that you don't want to open up with such a person, right? You don't feel safe to be vulnerable.
Wow. And it's interesting because that seems like it would limit the parent-child relationship at one point. Like it would be stagnant until that is actually developed.
100%. It gets stagnant and it becomes inauthentic. It becomes sneaky, lie-based. Because the child senses that I can't be my true self in front of this person who's always wanting to be in control, always wanting to see my actions as a reflection on them. I can't even be my own person.